Richard, if India continues to suspend its obligations under the Indus Waters Treaty, what consequences could this have for the region? One. Two, India's unilateral action would likely worsen Pakistan's water insecurity, endanger agriculture, rural livelihoods, and actually pose long-term national security risk as well. In such a scenario, what options do you think Pakistan might have?
I was asking myself that as I did some more research. How would Pakistan retaliate? And I could not come up with a scenario because there's such limited exchange between the nations. There is a sort of frozen goals and dug-in positions. So that escapes me, my friend. I don't know what the retaliation is other than war. And I don't think either country necessarily wants a war. The United States doesn't want a war. Other allies don't want a war. But without, as you pointed out, with treaty situations, we've got Ukraine in war. We've got Gaza in war. It seems like a fairly propitious time to start wars on this earth right now. That people are not shying away. So that's not what I'd hope to say, that war will resolve anything. It never does. What war does is kill civilians, mainly. And I've covered 3 wars, so I know where the cards lie.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।